Meet Reacher, caught in the whirlwind of modern-day spending. Like a canvas packed with too much color, his financial life is a blend of confusion and complexity. But what if we told you that amidst this chaos lies the blueprint to a masterpiece? Imagine your finances as a blank canvas. What would you paint? A life of endless debt or a masterpiece of wealth and freedom? With the right strokes, the right shades, and a bit of guidance, Reacher and you can transform any financial turmoil into an epic work of art. Let's start with income, the primary color of our palette. Whether a steady paycheck or various streams, it's the base from which all else flows. How you manage this vital resource determines the brightness of your financial picture. Next, we add savings, the contrast that defines our financial landscape. Savings offer security, the peace of mind amidst life's uncertainties. They're the shadows that enhance the light, allowing our financial goals to pop and come to life. With investments, we introduce depth to our canvas. Beyond immediate gains, investments grow our wealth over time, adding layers of complexity and richness to our financial picture. They're the calculated strokes that promise future prosperity. And then, expenses. Every stroke costs us, but with deliberate choices, we balance our composition, necessary for the picture's realism, yet excessive use can overpower our canvas. Wise spending ensures our masterpiece remains vibrant and sustainable. As Reacher discovers the beauty of negative space on his canvas, let's challenge ourselves to do the same with our finances. Remember, the most beautiful pictures often have the most thoughtfully preserved spaces. Minimalism, in its essence, is about prioritizing value and intentionality in every aspect of life. For Reacher, it's choosing the colors that truly matter, leaving behind the excess. In our financial lives, this translates to focusing on what brings us joy and fulfillment, rather than being swept up in the endless cycle of buying and accumulating. The minimalist approach to spending has a liberating outcome. For Reacher, it's not just about saving money, it's about creating a life filled with meaningful experiences, relationships, and pursuits. And behind every great masterpiece lies a meticulously crafted blueprint. It's this underlying plan that shapes the outcome, guiding each brushstroke with intention and purpose. Similarly, budgeting is the foundation of your financial masterpiece. It's the plan that directs your spending, saving, and investing towards your ultimate goals. Crafting a budget starts with understanding where your money is currently going. Like Reacher categorizing his expenses, identifying your income and expenditures lays the groundwork. From there, we can begin to design a budget that not only meets our needs, but also fuels our dreams. Choosing the quality paint, Reacher sees his artwork flourish. This choice mirrors the principle of investing in assets that offer lasting value, whether it's a durable good or a reliable investment. Quality may demand a higher initial outlay, but the return, in terms of longevity, satisfaction, and growth, far outweighs the initial cost. A glance at Reacher's gallery offers a clear lesson. Quality stands the test of time. In our financial decisions, adopting a long-term perspective ensures that our choices today contribute to a future of value and stability. Investing wisely in quality over quantity means building a collection of financial assets that, like Reacher's best paintings, continue to provide joy and security. Now it's your turn. With the lessons learned and insights gained, the canvas of your financial future awaits. Each decision, each sacrifice, and each investment you make is a brushstroke on this canvas. If you find inspiration in Reacher's journey, then we invite you to dive deeper into mastering your finances by subscribing and sharing this video. Together, let's embark on a journey towards financial mastery.